Hey, we're here at Cherokee Yacht Club, Duck Creek. What's going on, Big Daddy?
Yeah, hi.
You having fun? Holy crap, that's a tripod. Well, what do we got over there?
No, that's a tripod.
That's a tripod. There's Mark.
Tripod.
Mark, who do you play? Look, there's the starting center for Penn State. There he is. JT, every time the camera runs, you don't say anything funny and clever. Do you think of something funny and clever to say on? Crack me up.
Downloading. Please wait.
He's downloading?
Can I get a sound check?
Oh yeah, you better believe you can get a sound check. Hey,
Can I get a cheeseburger?
Hey, did you figure a way we could run this?
I haven't figured it out, but I'll
Okay, well I'm working that way.
We need to put this on the bottom.
Hey, you're not putting anything on my bottom, you son of a bitch.
Oh, what? You want that? What?
Yeah.
Want to Disney World? One of my fucking hamburger movies?
I need to go poop.
That's classic, did you hear that? Chuck got his face real close to the camera and he goes, I need to go poop. There he is.
Smells like poop.
McCabe. Here we are at the Cherokee recording. What was that, Mark?
This is why drunk people should not play guitar. Jägermeister.
Holy crap. That is nasty. Hey, Mark, can I have a drink
Waste
of your
not,
guitar?
want not.
Oh, now she's got to give the boyfriend some loving because she blew me too.
Oh, yeah.
Back and
He's not happy. Here, we need to put this on your bottom.
Yeah, you
telling
sick
you, we're gonna-
freak, man.
Can I put that on my bottom? I need to stick my thing on that.
Hey, Dale. Here is everything. Here's what we're playing at, Cheryl. There's the parking lot out there. Whoa, what was that? And khaki shorts. Give you a 360 to place, Mama. Bar back in that way. Holy crap.
That's a tripod.
Oh.